Good afternoon. Today we are going to understand the topic circulatory system. First of all, what is circulatory system? The organ system of human beings which is responsible for the transport of materials inside the body is called circulatory system. The human circulatory system consists of these three things. These are heart, blood and blood vessels. The heart acts as a pump which pumps the blood throughout the body. Now, these blood vessels act as pipes or tubes through which the blood flows. Now, these blood vessels are basically of two types, and these are arteries and veins. The main difference between arteries and veins is that the arteries carries the blood from the heart to the body organs, whereas veins carry blood from the blood organs back to the blood of heart. Now let's come towards the structure of heart, which is the main center of circulatory system. The heart is roughly triangular in shape and the size that as the clenched fist. Now let us try to draw the structure of the heart. Now let us understand the structure of the heart. The heart is basically composed of four chambers, compartments. We can say that these are four compartments called four chambers. The upper two are called auricles and the lower two are called ventricles. The auricles and the ventricles are separated by the valves called tricuspid and bicuspid valves. Moreover, the right and left part of the heart is divided by a septum. Now, let us understand the circulatory system, the circulation of the blood through this structure. These two veins called called superior and inferior vena cava brings impure blood, that is deoxygenated blood, to the right auricle. Then blood goes to the right ventricle, and from the right ventricle through pulmonary veins it goes to the heart for purification. Now from the lungs, the pure blood comes to the left auricle chamber of the heart through pulmonary arteries. Now this pure blood, that is oxygenated blood, goes from left auricle to left ventricle, and from left ventricle the pure blood, that is oxygenated blood, goes to various parts of the body through systemic aorta. Thank you. क्या कर रहे हो?